muffin pan white Christmas crackles.
Nothing beats a no-bake Christmas treat. This white Christmas recipe is made by melting condensed milk, butter and white chocolate in a pan and then adding all those traditional white Christmas ingredients like coconut and pistachios, plus some vibrant raspberry lollies to rice bubbles. Use your hands to mix up all the dry ingredients before adding the condensed milk mixture. Stir to combine and then divide among muffin pans. Then place in the fridge for 2 hours or until set. Meanwhile, melt white chocolate and vegetable oil. Spoon it over the surface of each crackle. Then sprinkle with chopped pistachios and raspberry lollies. Pop it in the fridge for another 30 minutes to set.